Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Johnson. Have you ever had one of those days where you know your energies are just spread too thin, your mind is all over the place, feelings might be following, you kind of generally feel in a twist, like this is not going well? We've all had them, we know what they're like. Here's something you can do with that in terms of working with your own experience to benefit yourself and move forward effectively, is to develop a centering practice. Well, what the heck does that mean? Well, what that means is you're bringing in and practicing bringing in all the attentions from the day, the confetti of our daily lives, the thoughts that you have, the emotions that go with it, the kind of rushiness. You're bringing all of that in home in order to be here right now on point and present to your life. There's actually a pretty simple 6-step process that can help you. I'm going to teach it to you here. And I want you to remember that when we're actually practicing centering, especially over time, we reduce the negative effects of cortisol and we increase the positive effects of the hormone oxytocin that helps us feel more connected to each other and to ourselves. All good stuff, right? So here are the 6 steps. Number 1, find a seat or stand up and feel your bum in the chair or your feet on the floor and let gravity settle in. So tune into that. Number 2, follow your breath. Bring your attention to your breath wherever you happen to notice it most vibrantly, at your nose, your chest, or your belly. Take a few breaths here. Number 3, drop your breath down to your belly at your center, which is a couple inches below your belly button. And take some cleansing breaths here that allow more oxygen into your body, your blood flowing a little bit more effectively. Number 4, go ahead and bring to mind something that you care about the most today, like what really matters to you today, and let that bubble up, whatever that is. It could be getting your taxes done, watching your teenager at a play, finishing a report, it could be anything. What's most important to you today? And as that settles, step number 5, allow yourself to breathe in fully in order to experience this. We're harnessing our attention, our energies in order to become more clear and on point. Yeah, that's right. And then take another deep cleansing breath and allow a word to bubble up that would describe this felt experience so that you can remember just what this feels like. Now go out, live in a centered way. You might have to practice 100 times today. That's all good. More practice, more ease, more life. Thanks so much. I'm Dr. Chris Johnson. Here's to your centering.